Hey Nathan, this is Dora. Thanks for letting me send you this video. So I am going to jump right in because I don't want to take too much of your time. So let's just look. I started just by doing a search for renovation and flooring in St. George, just to have something to kind of compare. And there's a bunch of ads up here, and then we get to the map pack. So the map pack is ideally where you'd probably want to be with your business, and that's just because these businesses probably get the majority of the online business because it's easy and it's fast. It doesn't mean they're better than everybody, it just means that it's convenient. So, anyway, you can also get into the map pack. Just make sure that you have a Google business page and that the Google business page is completely filled in, updated, and optimized with optimized pictures. And then you just want to make sure that you get as many citations out there as you can too. So you just need to make sure that you get as many directories and put your information in exactly the same as you have it on your Google business page. And that's going to help you rank in this map pack. So right below it, we have the organic results. And so it looks like the flooring studio is your main competition. And so that's kind of what I'll compare it with just to kind of give an idea of what you could get out there. So back to your website. Great website. You've got great pictures. You really do. It looks good. Got your map. Perfect. Now, one thing I would recommend is, first of all, to have like a clickable phone number up here, just because people like that, especially since so many people use their phones these days. And then also, a lot of people don't like to use the phone at all. So a little form right here for them to fill out would be really helpful and it would pull that lead in for you. Now, one thing on your website is I would recommend that you get some more content on it. Right now, when Google checks a website, they don't just see if the information is valid, they check and count how many words now. So, in order to get on that first page of Google and stay there, you need to have about 1,500 words of content. So, I'm just going to look at the competition site, um, video at the top, pictures and stuff at the bottom. They might have a little more content on here, but they don't have 1,500 words. So, getting that 1,500 words of content on your site would be a big step in starting to move ahead of these guys in the Google search results. So, there's one other place that I look, and this program is called Ahrefs. If you want to use it, you can too. It's a bit spendy, but still, I mean, it's available. It's out there if you want to, use it. So this shows me what the power of your website is. That's what the domain rating is. And the URL rating is the trust of your site. So you do have some trust coming into your site. No domain rating, and you don't have any backlinks right now. So a backlink is when another business or company or person or whatever it might be puts a link back to your business so people can click on it from there. Now you can get backlinks for yourself. I think I'll be able to show you one way here in just a second. If not, I'll just tell you. So that's really important to rank on Google, is to have those backlinks and have quality backlinks. And then keywords are important too. And I do see that you have one that you're pulling in, and that's superior renovations. So that's awesome. I mean, 100 people look for that every month. So if you can add that content to your main page and utilize this keyword, you can move up from that position 35. You could get to number 1 easily because there's no competition for this particular word. And that's, 35, probably 35 people that would be reaching out to you every month. So that's one thing that you can do. Looking at the competitor again real quick. Now their domain and UR ratings aren't much higher than yours, but they do have some backlinks. So let's look at those. I just want to see what their most powerful one is. All right, so they do have some good high quality backlinks here. And you can use these backlinks too, because as you can see, they have their own domain rating and UR rating too. And some of that comes through to your business when you have them as a backlink. So you can go through your competitors' websites, you can go through all of them, not just this one, and you can just click on each one and you can get your information added in as well. I would probably focus on those that are like 50 and higher for your business so that you have some good quality links. And then I am going to look at their keywords. So Right now they do have 94 keywords, so they're bringing in about 59 people that are reaching out to them every month. So St. George Flooring, people look for that every month, 250 people. So right now, since they're number 4, 23 people are reaching out to them every month. Flooring Studio, of course, they're ranking for that too, number 3. But there are all kinds of other things that you can rank for. Carpet St. George, you can rank for some of the home improvement things. 1.9 thousand people look for home improvement every month. Now that's a national keyword, but it's still something that if you were to rank for it, you would still pull in some traffic from that. So what you'll want to do is just go through and get or use as many keywords as you feel like um, you want to maybe focus on with your website, and just utilize those and use them in the content on your page, but make sure that they make sense. Don't just throw them in there, or Google will ding you. So anyway, hope this was helpful. I will reach out tomorrow and get a little bit of feedback from you, but have a wonderful night. Thanks.